Right, today arrived a box and it was from those amazing people at Bluetti, and they've sent me another one of their power banks to do an evaluation of. This is the AC70P, and although this will be for the motorhome, and I will be doing you a lot of videos showing it in use in the motorhome, and I'll also be comparing it to the EcoFlow system that I've had in there for nearly 2 years now, and you'll see a number of those videos if you want to click at the top. But anyway, this is all about the Bluetti, and what I'm going to do, I'm in the house at the moment, but I wanted to do you a quick video just to show you how amazing this is. Right, so it's not a big unit, it's very manageable in terms of the weight. And what you'll see is on the front, you've got a couple of plug sockets. These are mains plug sockets. And if I just press this button just to wake it up, you'll see that it's got a really nice colour display. There you go. So that's telling you how much battery power is available and all sorts of stuff, which I'll cover in a lot more detail on a different day. On the top here, you've got an inductive charger, so you can put your phone on top of there and it will charge it with no cables. You've got a cigarette lighter type connection, so you can plug into there any type of car adapter type things. You've got an input there where you can actually plug it into a cigarette lighter, for instance, and you could also plug it into a solar panel. USB connections, there's a 100 watt PD port there, a USB-A, which are both 12 watts, and another PD port for fast charging of your USB phone devices. Now, the thing that I'll be using it mostly for is these. So this is giving you AC out. So you can plug an AC device, a mains device, into one of these two plug sockets. And that's what I'm going to show you here at the moment. But let me just turn it round to the side so you can see here. So here you've got a mains kettle lead type connection. So for charging it up, you can either connect it to the solar, which would plug into here, or you can plug it into the mains. So I've had it on charge. It arrived with about 60% battery, which is fine. I've had it on charge for about an hour, and it's now fully charged. And yeah, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to cook my lunch and I'm going to have a fish finger roll. So I just want to show you this. I'm going to get some frozen fish fingers out. We're going to put them in the air fryer and we're going to power the air fryer from the Bluetti. So this is actually capable of up to 2000 watts, 2 kilowatts, which is more than enough to power the air fryer. And basically, you may just be able to pick out there's a little blue symbol. And that blue symbol they call Powerlifting. And through magic and smoke and mirrors and all that kind of stuff, they managed to get a lot more power out of the battery than what you should normally be able to do. And what that does is it means that you can power devices like this, whereas a lot of power banks wouldn't be able to do that. And what you see here, it's capable of 1000 watts, which is what they're saying, which is the normal setting. But in powerlifting, you can do up to 2000 watts. And it's capable of doing 864 watt hours. Now, what that basically means is if you've got a 100 watt light bulb plugged into this, it will power it for 8.64 hours, okay? 8.64 times 100 watts is 864 watts. There you go, that's the end of the science. So anyway, let's get on with cooking my lunch. Frozen fish fingers. Into the air fryer. Okay, so plug in. Turn on. It's not working because we haven't turned the mains on. So let's turn the mains on and then you'll see that will come on. Okay. So now you can see that it's actually using 992 watts. which basically means this is capable of 864, so therefore it would be able to power this for a little bit less than 1 hour. But clearly you'll never have your air fryer on for an hour. It would incinerate it. So these lights on the front, this is telling us that it's on. This is telling us that the AC, these, are switched on. The one here that you probably can't see is the DC switch, and if I was to switch that on, then it would make these ports and this live and the inductive charger also live. But because there's nothing connected, it didn't actually have any figures in there. So anyway, I've put this on for 10 minutes to cook my fish fingers. So yeah, let's see how we go. Okay, so let's have a look at my fish fingers. Wow, them are hot. Wow. Okay, absolutely beautiful. Let's have a look at how much power we've used. So 23% for about 10 minutes worth of cooking. And I would say that's a great result. Absolutely perfect for in the motorhome. Okay, let's just put us a bread roll in and give it a little toast. Couple more minutes, that will be perfect. There you go, fish finger sandwich on the Bluetti AC70P. Delicious.